So some people would see this and they would think that I hit rock bottom. They would think I'm broke and I'm struggling. But I'm actually doing this because it's helping me to rebuild my future and to set me up for my future, to sacrifice right now and to live a little bit less comfortably, to have a life where I have freedom and I get to do exactly what I want to do. So I live in my Tesla, and I've been doing this every night for all of 2026 and a little bit of 2025. Before that, I was living in my Kia Sportage. And right now, you can see in the video, I'm at the gym. I'm at Anytime Fitness. And so I do this routine every night where I come here, I brush my teeth, I take my shower, I do my workout, and I make my bed, I clean my car. And I had to realize that I am a very free-spirited person. I'm a very person that just like goes with the flow and that takes a lot of risks. But living in my car and focusing on saving money, especially making this channel, making the dedication and goal to save $1,000, $10,000, and to post more frequently, and it goes with living in my car, is that I have to stay disciplined. I have to make sure that I'm clean, I have to make sure I'm organized, and I have to make sure that all these things are in sync with each other so that I can be more productive every day. And again, this is not going to be forever. This time that I'm sleeping in my car, it reminds me of how much money I'm saving for the future and how that's helping me in my future. Like my future self is going to be thanking me, be like, thank you, Jonathan. Thank you, Jonathan, for sleeping in your car for about a year and a half so that your kids, grandkids, your wife, and everybody can be a little bit more happy, because it's not even about the sleeping in the car. It's about the mindset. Like I said, it's about the discipline. It's about the routine and the consistency and the structure. It's funny because when you're online and you're posting, people only see a little snippet. So whatever you share with them, that's their whole view of your whole personality. You show them one aspect of you and they think that you're just reckless, you're dirty, and even now they're probably thinking I'm trying to cope. But this is not coping. This is just the reality of life. This is my situation. And this is what I have buried myself into, pretty much. Like, I have made certain decisions from when I was 18 till now. Some of them may have been good. Some of them may have not been so good. But this is where I'm choosing now to be having a better 30s, better 40s, 50s, 60s, 70s, and so on. So I know that it's not ideal. And to a lot of people, they just imagine that they can never do that, or they don't understand how you could do it. But I just want to show you that it doesn't have to be always a struggle. A sacrifice doesn't have to be a struggle. You can live in your car and have it be a thing that you're using to build your future. Just think about how much money you're saving every week, every month, when you pay down your debt, when you invest that money, when you have that money in your checking account and you have a peace of mind. Because I know before, when I wasn't saving money and when I was living in a hotel or with my mom or just in an apartment or something, I had a comfort level, but I wasn't at peace. Like now, I feel good. Like I know that I can choose to go get those things, but it's only temporary. It's only making me happy temporary. I'm looking after the long term. And so I know I made mistakes. This is why I'm living in my car again, because I was supposed to only do this last year while I was building up and saving to a certain amount. But if you see in my other videos, I over leveraged and I made some bad money decisions. And so, hey, I'm here. But again, it's not like it's the end of the world. And it's not like I really even have to do this. It's just something that I'm like, why pay rent every month, spending like $2,500 or $1,200 or however many thousands of dollars every month, when I could just sleep in my car? I already have to use my car to get from point A to point B just to get to my job. And I already wanted to get the Tesla anyways. So why not sleep in it? I was already doing it with the Kia, so I'll do it with the Tesla too. So it's helped me, like I said, to have a routine and to have some type of structure. So when I come to Anytime Fitness, I make sure I brush my teeth. I do my little water picking session. I floss my teeth. I do my skincare routine. I get my workout in. I drink my water. I have a luxurious life in a car. You know what I'm saying? Being homeless, even on this level, as far as it being a choice and you choosing to be living in like this, it doesn't have to be the worst thing ever. It can be something that you just realize, you know what? I'm just doing this for this moment right now. And over time, I know that I'm building to something that's going to save me in the long run a lot of headache. And it's helping you just build discipline, really. It's just a mindset change. That's even like with saving. Like, yeah, my last goal last year, that's why they say $10,000 changes everything. Because I made a goal last year to save 10K. And I got all the way up to 50K with Bitcoin. And then now I'm back to 7,000K. But just me doing that consistently has shown me, oh, I can save $10,000 again. Oh, I can get to $50,000 saved again. It's because it's the mindset, it's the habit. That's why they say the rich get richer and the poor get poorer. Because I have changed my whole framework on how I look at myself and how I look at life. That's why I've been starting to go to the gym too and actually stay consistent with the workout. Because I see myself as somebody different. I eat different. I move different. I look different. I feel different. I taste different. I hear things differently. Everything comes through me differently. I'm seeing new opportunities. And so this is why whatever it is you're doing, whatever path you want to take, just stay consistent and focus on whatever your goal is and consistently do that over and over, and you'll reach whatever milestone that you want to hit. Fundamentally, it's about little small changes day by day. I forgot what the term is, but there's like a Japanese term that they talk about trying to get better 1% every day. So instead of me trying to make all these grandiose, huge moves like I was trying to do last year, saving $100,000 in 1 year, which is a great goal, and I'm pretty sure I could have done it if I had did it in a different way. But just the risks that I was taking, it made me fall, it made me fail. Just like if I were to just try to make a YouTube video every single day, I would probably get burnt out. But making 2 to 3 videos a week, I can stay more consistent. Just like going to the gym or anything, just showing up and just trying to perfect my form, if it's getting more sleep. And I don't know about other channels, but this is truly why I ask y'all to subscribe so that you guys can see the journey, because this is what my channel is about. It's not about one particular video. Yeah, one particular video could help you, but if you look at the whole channel and you can see the whole journey, you see it's a story. It's a story about a man who is rebuilding his life, who's living in his Tesla because he wants to save money. He buys Bitcoin because he's trying to build for his future. And it all incorporates together. It's not like one particular video is the one video. One video might blow up and it might get a lot of views, but I'm asking you to subscribe and to like, because I want you to be able to share this with other people who are interested in what the journey offers. But yeah, this is the end. Well, this is just the beginning. I'll see you guys next time. Peace.